Hey, look, something's different. Yeah, I took Louise for a drive and pulled in drunk and smashed into the corner there. Not really. So I had to clear out some space on my floor here for garage door guy to do his thing. So, garage door guy did his thing. I tried to salvage my sticker from the old door, but it just shattered when I tried to pull it off. I was like, oh, that's unfortunate. But so instead of having the extension springs, longitudinal springs that I had over here before, it's now torsion springs, which are a whole lot safer, a whole lot less scary. Yeah. The guy decided to cut the springs, and that made quite the noise. I could hear it inside, but that was the only way he could really do it because I had mangled the door so much. He had to take the springs out of the equation. So there was a little bit of a pucker where on the truck it had sloshed back and forth and just creased a teeny tiny bit. You can't really see it except for the light from the door, obviously. But that disappears, and excuse me, there's a little pucker outside that disappears. Oh, what's all this? So, in the process of hitting my old garage door with the Subaru, I noticed that this thing just came down. The thing that's not there anymore. Yeah, this is all carpenter oriented. So now what does this mean for what was on the inside? This was a 2x4, 2x6, I don't know, 2x something. This is the 2x here, and the whatever it was. Oh yeah, and there's two of those, right? And it's like all, maybe some glue I can salvage this. I'd like to keep the original wood, increase the value of the house. Yeah, so, and whatever this was a it's a 2x something, but so I do have some real concerns about the torsion spring on the other side going into only one 2x12 looked like 2x something ginormous. I mean, the door works, it doesn't flex, it doesn't make any weird noises, or everything looks normal. But I'm gonna have to take off a row or two of vinyl siding and see what is amiss. I did not see any vapor barrier installed, but I don't know. I mean, it's vinyl right on top of desiccated lumber, so it's a little project-y poo I need to do. Yeah, if it's not one thing, it's another, right? And sorry, it's not very good lighting over here, but it's just a disaster. If the Munsters had a garage, that's what it would look like. So, gonna fix that. So yeah, where are we? Everything's fine on the inside. Pounding on this 2x12. It's at least a 2x12. I guess that's as big as they really commonly make them. And the guy he was aware of what was going on the other side, and, helped things along here. So the torsion spring is not solely mounted on this remaining 2x12. It's helped a bit. And, yeah, so he turned it that way. So if anything, this board would want to go this way. But it's not gonna, because, you know what? It's not gonna. What a mess. So we saved the trim that he would have installed on the header and sides so that I can fix the header and then I can install this myself. Dun dun dun. So new garage door, mostly paid by insurance. Nice fat deductible, but it is an 18-foot door. They did have to order it, so. And it's simpler, cleaner. It doesn't have the through handle with the lock. I could just lock it on the sides, 2 separate individual locks, and that's it. No more flooding in my shop because I have a good seal. Dun, dun, dun. So. That was a nice thing about the garage door. It came with a new free bottom seal. So anyway, I have this disaster I need to contend with. And then fixing the shop to make it serviceable. Having all my tools where they're supposed to be. And I can continue working on the car. I have a number of volunteers who are not that knowledgeable. They're like, I want you to teach me. So I know some stuff, but the stuff I need help with right now is the engine and doing all that. And I am prone to some silly missteps. Like, I don't know, hooking up my battery with reverse polarity. And also simultaneously with that, having the wiring harness installed upside down, even though it's keyed. Yeah. So that's the kind of havoc I wreak underneath my hood. Other things that I do in my own particular way are mounting engines on mounting stands. That was, if you could think of the most stupid, dangerous way to have it in the mounting stand, which is basically the interface plate thing, just nothing was tight. It was all just floppy and the clunk, clunk. It was terrible. But that's the kind of thing I do because I didn't know. I just thought, that's how it worked. So, focus. So, I am actually looking forward to. Never mind. Focus is not working. I hope the focus works here. It is my intention to get this car on the road. Especially since we have a nice day like today. It's like 45 degrees or something like that. Makes you want to go out there and drive with the radio on or playing your MP3 or whatever with the window down and your arm out the window. Somebody's like, hey man, want to race? I'm like, sure. No, it won't be like that. People want me to light up the tires and stuff like that. That I'll be able to do, but one thing at a time. Yeah. Sorry, my nose is running. Gotta get the focus in the mocus. Gotta do it.